Hello guys, welcome to another multiple choice question video on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Introduction to the Sounds of English Part 2 on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Vasai Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, as usual, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Which unit of sound distinguishes one word from another? Options are A. Morpheme, B. Allophone, C. Phoneme, or D. Syllable. Correct option is C. Phoneme. Question number 2. Which is the smallest unit in the hierarchy of language? Options are A. Syllable, B. Allophone, C. Morpheme, or D. Phoneme. Correct option is D. Phoneme. Question number 3. What is the next higher unit to phoneme? Options are A. Minimal pair, B. Syllable, C. Allophone, or D. Phoneme. Correct option is B. Syllable. Question number 4. A dash dash is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. Options are A. Syllable, B. Allophone, C. Phoneme, or D. Morpheme. Correct option is A. Syllable. Question number 5. A syllable is made up of one or more dash dash. Options are A. Sentence, B. Clause, C. Phrases, or D. Phonemes. Correct option is D. Phonemes. Question number 6. From the articulatory point of view, a syllable corresponds to a chest pulse or a muscular movement dash dash. Options are A. Pushing the air out of mouth, B. Filling the air into lungs, C. Pushing the air out of lungs, or D. Pushing the air out of nose. Correct option is C. Pushing the air out of lungs. Question number 7. In the structure of a syllable, dash dash is an obligatory, which is essential or compulsory element, or a dash dash is obligatory element in a syllable. Options are A. A consonant, B. A vowel, C. A vowel and a consonant, or D. A diphthong. Correct option is B. A vowel. Question number 8. There cannot be a syllable without a dash dash. Options are A. Vowel, B. Consonant, C. Diphthong, or D. Allophone. Correct option is A. Vowel. Question number 9. What is at the center or nucleus of the syllable? Options are A. An allophone, B. A consonant, C. A diphthong, or D. A vowel. Correct option is D. A vowel. Question number 10. Dash dash are optional, not compulsory in the structure of the syllable, or some syllable may not have dash dash elements. Options are A. Allophones, B. Consonants, C. Diphthongs, or D. Vowels. Correct option is B. Consonants. Question number 11. A consonant occupies a dash dash position in the structure of a syllable. Options are A. Final, B. Central, C. Marginal, or D. Initial. Correct option is C. Marginal. Question number 12. The number of consonants at the end of the syllable can vary from dash dash. Options are A. 0 to 4, B. 0 to 3, C. 0 to 5, or D. 0 to 6. Correct option is A. 0 to 4. Question number 13. There cannot be more than dash dash consonants in the beginning of a syllable. Options are A. 5, B. 6, C. 2 or D 3? Correct option is D 3. Question number 14. The number of syllables in a word depend on the number of dash dash in the standard pronunciation of the word. Options are A. Diphthongs, B. Consonants, C. Vowels, or D. Morphemes. Correct option is C. Vowels. Question number 15. The number of syllables in a word is generally equal to the number of dash dash in that word. Options are A. Vowels, B. Morphemes, C. Consonants, or D. Diphthongs. Correct option is A. Vowels. Question number 16. A word that contains one syllable is called a dash dash word. Options are A. One syllabic, B. Polysyllabic, C. Monosyllabic, or D. Single syllabic. Correct option is C. Monosyllabic. Question number 17. A word contains two or more syllables is called a dash dash word. Options are A. Monosyllabic, B. Polysyllabic, C. Double syllabic, or D. Twice syllabic. Correct option is B. Polysyllabic. Question number 18. The monosyllabic polysyllabic distinction is very important from the viewpoint of dash dash. Options are A. Transcription, B. Tone, C. Stress, or D. Intonation. Correct option is C. Stress. Question number 19. Dash dash is the importance or prominence of one syllable over the other. Options are A. Tone, B. Structure of a word, C. Transcription, or D. Stress or accent. Correct option is D. Stress or accent. Question number 20. Stress is found only in dash dash words. Options are A. Polysyllabic, B. Monosyllabic, C. Simple, or D. Compound. Correct option is A. Polysyllabic. Question number 21. The prominent syllable in a word is called a dash dash syllable. Options are A. Important, B. Stressed or accented, C. Unstressed or unaccented, or D. Significant. Correct option is B. Stressed or accented. Question number 22. The stress or accent is indicated in dictionaries by a small dash dash above concerned syllable at the beginning. Options are A. Vertical bar, B. Horizontal bar, C. Parallel bar, or D. Slanting bar. Correct option is A. Vertical bar. Question number 23. British Received Pronunciation (RP) is a variety of English spoken by educated people in the dash dash part of England. Options are A. West Eastern, B. North Eastern, C. East Western, or D. South Eastern. Correct option is D. South Eastern. Question number 24. RP variety of English pronunciation is also known as dash dash English. Options are A. Masters, B. Kings or Queens, C. Emperor, or D. Rulers. Correct option is B. Kings or Queens. Question number 25. Accent used in America by radio and television presenters is known as dash dash. Options are A. American accent, B. Standard accent, C. Network English or Network Standard, or D. Radio and television accent. Correct option is C. Network English or Network Standard. Question number 26. In the dash dash word, final dash R and dash RE and medial dash R before consonants are not pronounced. Options are A. British pronunciation, B. American pronunciation, C. Indian pronunciation, or D. Canadian pronunciation. Correct option is A. British pronunciation. Question number 27. Americans pronounce dash R, which is R, in dash dash positions. Options are A. Initial, B. All, C. Final, or D. Medial. Correct option is B. All. Question number 28. Americans use the vowel A, where the Britishers use the vowel dash dash. Options are A. B. A, C. U, or D. O. Correct option is A. Question number 29. In many words, Americans prefer the vowel A, where the Britishers use the dash dash. Options are A. Rounded vowel A, B. Unrounded vowel A, C. Unrounded vowel A, or D. Diphthong U. Correct option is A. Rounded vowel A. Question number 30. General Indian English is a dash dash variety of English pronunciation. Options are A. Standard, B. Formal, C. Non-native, or D. Native. Correct option is C. Non-native. Question number 31. Indian English has dash dash pure vowels and dash dash diphthongs, where British RP has 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. Options are A. 13 and 5, B. 12 and 10, C. 15 and 8, or D. 11 and 6. Correct option is D. 11 and 6. Question number 32. Indian English has dash dash consonants in place of 24 consonants in British RP. Options are A. 22, B. 23, C. 26, or D. 28. Correct option is B. 23. Question number 33. In Indian English, dash R and dash RE are pronounced in dash dash. Options are A. All positions, B. Initial position, C. Final position, or D. Middle. Correct option is A. All positions. Question number 34. The pronunciation of plural suffix dash yes or dash es and past tense suffix dash ed is often dash dash from British RP in Indian English. Options are A. Alike, B. Similar, C. Different, or D. Identical. Correct option is C. Different. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.